Welcome to another Yes You Can DIY digital marketing tutorial by TTG. Today we're going to cover how to add products to your Shopify store. Once you've signed up for a Shopify account, whether you're on a free trial or you selected a plan, you'll be brought to the dashboard here. And on the left-hand side, you'll see an option that says products. And when you click that, if it's a brand new store, you'll obviously see that no products are listed. But to go ahead and start adding products, all you need to do is click the button that says Add Product, and you'll be brought straight to this page, and you'll see that you have some fields that you'll need to fill out, like the product title. So I'll just type in Amazing New Product, and then in the description, type a little bit of a description of what the product is, what features it may contain. And you also see that you have some options here for the text. You can bold it, you can italicize it, and you can underline it, as well as some other options like linking it. So if I wanted to link it, I would select all of the text in the editor, click the little link button, and then type in the URL that I want to link it to. Then you've got some other options here, like adding a bulleted list or a numbered list, which can be pretty helpful if you're trying to list out some of the product features. So fill that out, and once it's complete, you can move on. You'll see the media section. The media section is where you upload the product photos. I'm just going to drag and drop this product photo that I have here. Scroll on down to pricing, type in your price, and then you'll see the compare at price field, which is for when your product is on sale. So let's say your product is usually $10, but you want to sell it for $7 on sale. All you have to do is type the original price in at the compare at price field, and then the sale price in the price field. As we continue to scroll down, you'll see the option to add the SKU number. I'm just going to type in 1 as an example, and then the quantity of the product that you have in inventory. So in this case, I'm just going to type 100, but if you have 50 available or 36 available, type that in right there, and then add in the product weight. You have some options here. If you're measuring it in pounds, you can choose pounds or ounces, kilograms, or grams. I'm just going to stick with pounds in this case. And then you can select your country of origin. I'm just going to select United States. And then you'll get down to the variants, which can be a little bit tricky, but if you're selling a product that has different options like sizes, colors, different materials, this is definitely something that you'll want to fill out. I'm going to go ahead and select size from the dropdown, but you'll see that you have a few different options like color, material, style, and title. And you'll want to type in values and separate them with commas. And as you type in a comma, it's actually just going to enter in the value and allow you to enter in a new one afterwards. So I'll do small, medium, large, and extra large. And then you'll see it started to populate below it as a preview. And let's say you want to sell the medium size for a different price than the small size and the large size and the extra large size. You can actually type in different values for the price, so that if someone wants to purchase a large, they're going to get charged $14 instead of $10, which they would be getting charged for if they bought the small. You'll also need to enter in the quantity for each of the variants. Otherwise, it will default to 0, and people won't be able to purchase the product in those different sizes. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter 100 into all of them. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to click Save. And now when you go back to the left-hand side and click All Products, it should populate that new product right there. And you'll see a little eyeball icon. If you click on that, it'll show you what the product will look like on the front end of your store. So this is actually published, so if someone were to visit the site, they would be able to find this product and purchase it. And that's how you add a product to Shopify. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below.